Morning, YouTube. We're back. We're coming in strong. We're not going to launch a couple videos and then just abandon it like we did last time. Life's been crazy. Been working on the dump truck. Been working in the dump truck. Been trying to fix the Cherokee. Been getting side by side all dialed. I don't think I've shown many of these on any of my other videos. The YJ, it's been in my other videos, and I think I might have done a video on the Yamaha. I can't remember. But we are kind of shifting gears a little bit. I mean, not too much, but, you know, shifting gears a little bit. Still a Jeep, but kind of gross. You should have seen all the rat poop in here. It was really bad. Nice bird poop on the steering wheel. It does have full doors. The top's in good shape. It's got a 400 small block. It's got a 4-speed granny gear transmission. I don't know exactly which one it is. I think it's an SM465. Not entirely sure. Big old honker for a T-case down there. I haven't even crawled underneath it to look and see what it is, but don't those headers just scream sand Jeep? I don't know if they don't to you. They should. So we're gonna get this thing pressure washed, get it in the garage, get the axles out from underneath it, start prepping the frame, and I'll show you here in a minute what I'm going to put underneath the front. Alright, stuff got a little carried away. We got the Jeep inside. Interior's pretty good. I'm scraping out the dirty, nasty glue stuff. It's a couple days later than the last time I did any video stuff. We had some monsoons roll in, and I had to do some dump truck tires so that I can go back to work tomorrow. It's Sunday afternoon. It's probably like 2 or 3 o'clock right now. But I did get the front axle out. It's out laying in the driveway. And right now we're going to yank this rear axle out and get it out in the driveway. And then I'd like to get this top off and get it set on the YJ, just so it's mostly out of the way and I can keep working on this thing. But do as I say, not as I do, most definitely. Don't play with high lifts. A lot of people get hurt from them, mostly just because they don't know how to use them. Or they do stupid shit like I do. There's that. But we're going to get this thing out of here, get these springs off, get all this garbage cut off the back. Don't ask. Somebody did some nasty shit to this thing. Get all these brackets cut off, get that nasty cross member cut out of there. Yeah, we'll get it done. Oh, jeez. You like my workbench? Yeah, it's fancy. Alright, update. We got one high lift jack on it now. A little safer, maybe. Borderline, I don't know. Not any more dangerous than that. Yeah, one high lift, use the floor jack, take the tires off, drop the axle down, undo all the bolts, move it side by side, drag it out, push it out, sell it, make money, buy a turbo, go fast. Let's do it. Turbo. Oh jeez, I don't like that. Okay. Maybe I need 2 floor jacks. Let's try 2 floor jacks. Let's try 2 floor jacks. Let's try 2 floor jacks. Get sketchy. I think this floor jack leads off. It's kind of a piece of crap. You know, it's always fun taking the rear axle out of something that the front's already on jack stands, and they really don't have a lot of room to work. We'll get her did. Let's see if this piece of crap will even go that high. Alright. We'll see. Oh, jeez. Come on. Oh, right there. Man, what a snake. It'd be a lot easier if I had a lift. Wishes for fishes would all take a swim, I suppose. Has anybody ever seen these lug nuts? Mega. They're 1/16 socket. 1/16 socket! Oh, let's use my lisp. I talk funny. Yeah, me and words, we don't get along very good. Me and Jeeps, that's a different story. So, you just got the whole fucking Jeep falling down. Goodbye. Oh. I just realized the radio's on still. Dang it. Does anybody else find it hard to work without music though? I don't know, maybe it's just me. So, how do we do this without freaking laying this thing down on the ground? One and then the other, I suppose.
Oh, this jack is sketchy. Alright, hold it there. Hold it here. Hold it here.
Ah, splinter. I keep forgetting to turn the camera back on when I'm doing stuff. Forget. Furniture dollies at Harbor Freight. Oh, awful. Really good investment. I'm just not licensed to operate them, apparently. I'm running out of steam. There's a tire in the way. Hopefully my video editor edits this part out where I'm struggling. Joke's on me, I edit these stupid things. Anybody need some axles for sale? Make me an offer. 14 bolt and 81144. Zippity doo-dah. And just like that, I'm sweaty. Well, I don't know if it looks a little different or a lot different than the last time I did any video, but it's been about a week and I'm pretty sure I videoed both axles coming out and all that. We did some scraping, got some of this glue crap out. We'll probably put some more holes in the floor, do some dimple die action. We got rid of the third pedal, we got rid of the dash. I'm gonna build a flat aluminum dash. We'll probably cut this pedal off and build us a nice little cool deal with some dimple dies and stuff. There's gonna be a lot of dimple dies in this thing. Trust me. We got the fender wells out. We got a ton of wiring out of here. And the neighbors got a cool truck that I have not seen them drive before. Sweet. Where was I? Oh yeah, fender wells are gone. I'm gonna leave those out. We'll paint the headers white. I'm working on cutting all the brackets off, cleaning the frame up. We'll start mocking these I-beams up. For now, we gotta move these jack stands back there because they're in the way. As you can see, I cut that side off and there's a jack stand like there. This one's not even do as I say, not as I do, apparently. Alright, let's see if we can do this without knocking it down. Ooh. See? Flat ground. Still a little sketchy. Dangerous. It's starting to get warm out. It was nice and cool an hour ago. Of course, I guess it's just because I'm doing stuff now and I'm fat.
You're chunky.
Make sure your shit is centered. Words to live by. Don't touch it. It's sketchy. Whoop, there it is. Nice. It's pretty stable. And by pretty stable, I mean probably won't fall down. Give it a little. Actually, that's actually really good. I give it 2 thumbs up. All right, now let's chop that frame rail off. That's ugly. Don't mind that. I'm gonna get rid of this whole cross member, make a new one. Maybe. I don't really know. Might just pretty it up with some dimple dyes, honestly. Dimple dye the world. And yes, these are safety glasses. They actually are ANC AZ71 or whatever the hell it's called. Enough to wiggle it off. There you go. Trash can. Time for the old swap-a-rooney. Oh, and I grind them up. We want it to look kind of good, right? As I go along, I like to try to keep it as clean as I can. So that when you're sitting back looking at it, you're not looking at half-ass cut. You know, because I could just leave it like that. But if somebody walks by and their pants catch it right there and rips them open, makes them bleed, I might feel bad. I don't know who it is. But when you're sitting back drinking beer with your buddies talking about it, and there's, you know, clean edges, cleaned up some dents, whatever, it makes you feel better, and it goes a long way with your motivation. At least it does for me. So I'm going to also trim this. Oh, where is it? I'm going to straighten that out. I'm going to straight cut that out, grind all this smooth, make this piece match that. Anyways, I guess I'll just shut up and get back to cutting. How can we use a flap disc instead of a grinding wheel? Because the grinding wheels suck. Changed my mind. I gotta keep my mouth shut when I'm grinding. It's looking pretty good. Except we got this wow in it right here. Okay, that's not working so good. Jump around, jump, 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 jump. Anyways, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. I really just wanted to get it up on jack stands, get the axles ripped out from underneath it, I really didn't plan on gutting the interior and doing all the wiring stuff that I did. Well, undoing, I guess I would say. And then I just kind of want to start stripping the tabs off the frame. And the next video will be, I'll start mocking up the, I'm tired. I drove that thing all day, and then I had a PTO problem, and my air compressors, the dump truck's grumpy, so I had to work on it when I got home, and now I'm working on this. Build cool shit, drive it, have fun, work, do whatever. I don't care, have fun, do whatever you want. Later.